Okay guys, currently I have a Samsung X210. This one is the A9 Plus and it's locked up, and as you notice I have already taken apart the screen. It says an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory setting, connect to Wi-Fi, verify your identity. Right, so let's connect our Wi-Fi. User also forget the pin and also the Google password. So with this tablet guys, there's a test point that we need to look at. So you can see those pins, 2 pins right there. It's actually 3 of them, but it's the 2 by the side. I'm gonna just zoom right in so you know what I'm talking about. Those 2 pins right there. So what we need to do to remove this, to power off the tablet, right? For me to do this, it will be difficult because it requires me to use my hands, and I need to go and get my stand. Okay, so this is one of the most risky jobs to do because you have to take the screen off, and that is very, 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 very hard to do. Get our USB cable, and maybe I should just remove the screen altogether just to get more space. This is what we're going to be doing. I am going to connect this. I'm going to use the test point. So you want to hold these down. I'm going to connect. As you can see here, it's downloading Qualcomm programmer. And now, yeah. So as you can see, these are all the information in which is showing here, right? And we are fully connected to the tablet now, you can see. So what we're going to be doing here to get this job done, we need to hit FRP here, and yeah, it will say that everything will be deleted. Press OK, and it's done, right? So as you can see, we are finished here. And let me let you know guys that you can do this using different software. There are a lot of different software in which you can use to do this. So the tablet should be booting on, so I will need to unplug the battery, and then I need to connect the screen, and then I will need to turn the tablet on. So guys, as you can see, the screen is connected, the battery is connected, and now we are going to turn the tablet on. So let's go. Tablet is turning on, and once this is a success, then that issue with the lock should be gone. The Google lock should be gone. The only challenge in doing this is taking the screen off without damaging it, and it took me about 30-35 minutes or so. And also this screen also have a protector on it. We try our best not to damage the protector in any way. We also try our best not to take it off. We do have this end in which we'll rectify. So we will raise this up and we will clean under that area, and hopefully we should get that sealed back properly. Right, we have a dust absorber right here, So guys, we're just waiting for this to turn on, and also I decided last minute to do a video as well. So I think that we might have to clean around the edges of the tablet. You can see glue around the edges, right? So we are going to set this up. So as you can see here, we can skip because we removed the Google lock successfully. So as you can see here, we can skip, and the lock is gone. The lock is gone. Okay, we just set this up quickly. And it's always good to keep a new pair of tweezers as well. So the lock is gone, guys. This is another way how to remove that lock if you have forgot it. At the moment, it's the only way we can remove it from this device, which is not easily done, but we were successful. So guys, I'm going to clean around the edges. I'm going to stick the screen, and I'm going to try and rectify this area here. So let me start by shutting down the tab. Okay, come on. Okay, we should be able to power off, power off. So it's off. A few more adhesive here to remove, and then we're gonna use adhesive. We're gonna use adhesive glue. So we gotta use adhesive glue to try and get this off. We're gonna use adhesive glue to put back on the screen. If we don't move this old piece of adhesive tape, the glue will bind up with the tape, and it will be hard to remove in the future. So you need to remove the excess old adhesive tape, right? So that's what we're doing. So I have already removed most of it. There's some on the screen, as you can see. So I'm going to apply some glue, and then we're going to put this up, and then yeah. And when we do this, we're trying not to overdo it. We just want to put the right amount. We don't want to put too much, but we want to put the right amount, because in the future it could be hard to remove. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, so we're doing here. As you can see, coming around. And a little tiny bit coming across here. Yeah. ensure that we have sufficient amount in the corners. So I believe that we're looking lovely, and it's time to install the screen. So yeah, do it like this. Then we gotta put this back. This. That's number 1, 2. Go back down like this. And that's it. We're going to clean out that area and see if we can get the protector 100, right? So first we want to clean the back area of the glass like this, and then we're going to do a reversal, right? So we're doing a reversal here. And we were able to clean up those ends. So guys, we were successful in sticking the screen, cleaning the screen. We just have some cleaning up job to do, in which we'll do in a while when the glue is cured. But so far we are looking lovely. We are looking lovely. So yeah. The tablet comes on and no Google Lock. Google Lock is gone. Unforgetting pin or password is gone. And we are good to go. We are good to go. And guess what? Everything is working. Everything is touching. And yeah. Yeah.